In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the TradingView background with solid or gradient options. Customizing your chart's background is a simple way to reduce eye strain, match your workspace theme, and make price action and indicators stand out more clearly. I'll walk you through each click and share a few quick tips so you can get a clean, professional look in seconds. Start on any chart in TradingView. Look to the top right corner of the chart area and click the gear icon, which opens chart settings. This is where all the visual preferences live. If you're on a smaller screen, the icon might be tucked near the toolbar, but it's the same small gear you use for most display changes. Inside chart settings, switch to the Canvas tab. Think of Canvas as the backdrop for everything on your chart: the background color, the grid, and related visual elements. This is exactly where the background options are managed. Under the Background section, click the Color box. This opens the color picker and the style options. Here you'll decide whether you want a solid color or a gradient. A solid background gives you a single, uniform tone, great for maximum clarity and focus. A gradient blends colors for a softer, more modern look that adds depth without distracting from the candles. Choose solid or gradient, then pick your colors. For solid, select one color that keeps your chart readable. Dark grays or off-whites often work better than pure black or pure white because they reduce glare. For gradient, choose complementary tones that transition smoothly. Subtle differences usually look best and help price bars remain the focus. Keep contrast in mind so the grid, indicators, and candles remain easy to see. Once you're happy with your selection, click OK to apply the changes. Your chart updates immediately. If the look isn't quite right, just reopen chart settings and fine-tune the colors or switch between solid and gradient until it feels comfortable for your eyes and your workflow. Remember, this changes only the appearance, not your data or indicators, so feel free to experiment until it fits your style. A quick tip on choosing colors. If you trade for long sessions or in low-light environments, darker, muted tones can reduce fatigue, while in bright rooms, a soft light background can prevent harsh contrast. Also, check that alert markers and drawing tools remain visible against your new background. A quick scan across recent price action will tell you if anything is hard to read. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.